This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Josh Bradley. Move-in ready home at an affordable price. Conveniently located in the Powell area, this 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath condo is ready for a new owner. All appliances convey. Laundry hookups on the main level. 2 bedrooms upstairs share a full bath. HOA covers lawn care, trash, pest, and some exterior. Stop looking at rentals and just own a house instead. For more information, review the details below or contact Josh Bradley at 865-584-4700.